Respect has to be earned, sweet, just like money.
So what you saying? You don't respect me?
What I'm saying is,
speak up, nigga.
I'm hungry.
Man. Hey,
man, cannot live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah,
what you fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos? Tacos again? Hell no.
Chicken, man. No
Man, I
discussion.
don't want no chicken. Carl, you try. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
How moms get kids? We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Can I take your order, please?
Carl, what are you?
Speed up a little. Sit. Hit it. Go, go, go. Hit the gas down. Icy big. Why you ain't blasting, Smoke?
I'll shoot him when I'm done eating.
Put stuff in your motherfucking mouth. Let's go.
I ain't stuffing, homie. I'm enjoying my meal. And kill the asshole.
Let's go. Stop stuffing your face and start popping the balls.
I'm trying to enjoy my food.
And those fools are trying to enjoy our death. Now, come on, Smoke. Shoot.
Hey, I'm just finishing my fry.
Move it, CJ.
Fill up. Careful when you get like that.
Damn, that was some serious shit. Yeah, man, those baller fools won't try that again. Carl, let's get back to the grove.
All right, I'm on it.
Oh, man. That food fills a hole.
You chubby motherfucker. Next time you better start blasting or I'm gonna blast you myself. Smoke is wide, man. I mean, wide.
And that's why you love me, baby. That's one up for the grove.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold.
Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby. I need to get back. Get it.
What was with you back there, Smoke?
Man, if you can eat your food while everybody else is losing theirs and blaming you, you straight, homie.
What?
Nothing. Just some poetry I read.
Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the grove.
Man, got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all, but the grove is in my heart, baby. It's where my dogs is at.
Yeah, okay, homie.
Hey, thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby.
Thanks, man. I wish Sweet thought like that.
He don't mean it, CJ. He's still real tore up about your moms, man.
นะ